Okay, so today I'm going to be combining a couple products to show you how to use the Rose Sapphire and Canary Diamonds as eyeshadows. As you can see, I have this eye done. It's a beautiful natural eye, and this is how I made it happen. I started this look with just a little bit of hazelnut, and then I put a little bit of cinnabar in the outer corner of my eye. Hazelnut went all the way over, cinnabar in the outer fourth of my eye, and then I applied this product. The new Rose Gold Highlighting Stick, I am applying this all over my lid. It's a really cool stick that you can just easily throw on your lid for a really beautiful natural look. You can combine it like I'm doing today, but if you like swipe and go, you're gonna love this Rose Gold stick. It's a great shadow as well as I'm using today, but you can also use it various different ways. And now I'm going to apply the highlighter. So I'm going to take the Rose Sapphire highlighter and I'm just going to tap it on top of my lid, over top of that rose gold stick I put on. I'm doing this because I want the color pigment to pop a little bit more. You can certainly do it on bare eye as well, or with just a little bit of powder underneath. And I'm applying that right there all over my lid. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Canary Gold and I'm gonna apply that just in the inner fourth of my eye. And I'm gonna complete this look with eyeliner, black eyeliner, and mascara. And that's how easy it is to use these highlighters as eyeshadows. To finish my look, I just took my brush and swiped it across both colors and applied the highlighter on the top of my cheeks to give me a nice natural glow with my cheek color. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? Isn't it easy? And it's a really fun way to use the highlighter as eyeshadow. Direct message me if you love this. I would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, so where are my natural girls? You're the girls who just want something really simple, a nice bright eye. This look is for you. It's super easy to accomplish. All I did was apply the Dusty Rose eyeshadow in the crease of my eye as step number one. And then I took the Canary Diamonds highlighter and I applied it all over my lid. And that is it. I'm going to touch up my eyeliner with black eyeliner and mascara, and my eyes are done. If you like something fast and easy, using the Rose Sapphire and Canary Diamonds highlighters as your eyeshadow is a great way to start your day fast, easy, with a bright eye, and I love it. It looks gorgeous in all skin tones. So another great, easy option for a multi-use product. So if you like swipe and go or a very natural eye, something simple that won't take you longer than 30 seconds in the morning, this is a great solution for you. The Rose Sapphire and Canary Diamonds highlighters used as your eyeshadow, as also on your cheeks to give you a nice natural glow. Dash at the door in no time.